Hello everyone, this is Shamim and welcome to Simply Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel. If you want to scan and remove virus and malware from your computer, this video is very important for you because today I share how to remove virus and malware from your computer with very easy and short way. So don't skip the video and subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, let's go. At first you have to press Windows plus R button on your keyboard. Then you can see your run option are open here. You can remove your all virus from here manually, but today I am share very easy and short way to remove virus and malware from here. Okay, write on this box MRT, then click on OK. After click on OK, wait a few seconds. Okay, then you can see here is Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tools are open here. Click yes. After click on yes, you can see here is another option available. Click on next button, take it default and next. Okay, now you can see my computer getting scanned and removing virus and malware from these tools. This way you can take scan and you can remove your virus and malware from your computer. Thanks for watching.